Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys read by the title, we are going to be doing another wash day, and this wash day is super special to me because I am working with one of my favorite brands, which is Camille Rose, and I have always dreamed of working with this brand. I've been using their products for almost 2 years now, and when they reached out to me, I thought it was a joke because they reached out to me last year, but it was a scam. So when they had reached out to me again, I was like, yeah, immediately, this is a scam. This sounds way too good to be true. But in reality, they wanted to work with me. If you guys don't know me, I am Kesley. I recently graduated college about almost 2 months now, and one of my goals for 2026 is to go full-time with content creation. This video isn't sponsored on my YouTube, but it is sponsored on my short form, so I would really appreciate it if you guys would go show some love over there. But I'm super excited for this wash day. I'm super excited for the natural hairstyle that I'll be doing. As you guys can see, my hair is in a puff. My scalp, she got flakes. I honestly just took it out of a style that I did for another brand, but I'm super excited to take you guys along my wash day featuring one of my favorite brands, Camille Rose. And if you guys don't know, fun fact, my middle name is actually Camille, so this is so cool. This is just a testament of what God can do. I mean, when I was about to graduate on December 11th, on that day, I was worrying, I was very anxious, I was doubting the Lord and myself, questioning God, like, God, am I on the right path? Like, I want to do this full time, but I don't know if this is what you have for me. And when Camille Rose reached out to me, literally in those same thoughts of doubt, it was just a testament of what God can do in the midst of doubt, in the midst of uncertainty. Like, he listens to all of our worries. I just want this wash day to encourage you to follow Jesus, even when it's hard, even when you doubt. Jesus, he hears and he knows all of our prayers, and he wants us to surrender our thoughts. He wants us to lament. You can do so much with just a little bit, and so I want this wash day, I want this video to be a living testament of that, of the goodness of God. Yeah, I know that was a lot, but let's just hop into this video. They sent me their signature collection. I have their moisturizing conditioner. I have their moisturizing shampoo, which I'm super excited to use. I have their leave-in conditioner. They sent me their soft hold gel, and then also, which is one of my favorite, their deep conditioning mask. So I'm excited to use all of these products. Now for the campaign, I'm only supposed to use about 2 to 3 products. They sent me a total of 5 products. This is so special to me. This is what God can do for you. Like, if you have a desire on your heart, I want you to go after that desire, but also love the process in between the making, if that make any sense. Okay, before I even start off my wash days, I like to always detangle my hair outside the shower. So when I do get in the shower, like, I don't have to run into any problems. Oh my goodness! Can you stop? Sorry. So before I even start off my wash days, I like to detangle my hair outside the shower first, just so that when I finally do hop in the shower that I'm not running into any issues and problems with tangles and stuff. I like to wash my hair in twists. As you guys can see, I got very thick hair. This gets tangled up really quickly, so I always make sure to wash my hair in twists. And I always use my favorite product of all time, which is the African Pride Strengthening Pre-Poo. But for the sake of this video, I want to keep it strictly Camille Rose, so I'll be using their moisturizing conditioner to detangle my hair. And then once I'm finished, I'm gonna hop in the tub and get started with my wash day. This process usually takes me about an hour. As you guys can see, it's always that one braid that you forget to take out. Like, I'm gonna stop talking because I can talk your behind off. So first things first, we gotta put some water in this cute spray bottle that I got from Marshall about a month ago, because I knew that I wanted to use this spray bottle specifically for Camille Rose. I don't know if you guys remember, but I did bring this spray bottle up in one of my videos. To detangle my hair, if you're new here, I don't use a comb just because for me it causes extra breakage. I like to go in and fill all of the knots and tangles that my hair may have into my fingers. It works best for me. You can use a brush, it's up to you. I'm not against brushes. If you're not patient and gentle, like, you can easily rip off your hair. Starting off, I'm about to section up my hair into 3 sections and then get started with the detangling process. For my wash days, I love to listen to worship music. It keeps me going, it keeps me motivated, and it just overall encourages me. So let's worship together. Starting off, like I said earlier, I like to start off my wash days by detangling my hair outside the shower, and I tend to love how this moisturizing conditioner felt on my hair. It gave me so much slip, and it also moisturized my hair as well. I love the little avocado beads that it had. It just provided me with extra moisture. This conditioner is for all hair types, and I tend to recommend that you guys give this a try because like I said, I absolutely loved it. Okay, I am all finished detangling my hair. Like I said in the voiceover, I love this conditioner. It's very moisture based. It has avocado and olive oil in it, and it also has some blue beads in it. I think the ingredient says that it's infused with avocado beads, and this is just for extra moisture. I love the consistency of it. It has like a very milky texture. My hair feels super soft. As you guys can see, it looks soft and moisturized. And now I'm about to start my wash day. So I've got my wash day products right here. I'll be using their moisturizing shampoo, and then I'll also be using their conditioning mask as my deep conditioner. So I have high hopes for these products. This is a moisture based line, so if you're looking for a specific line that has strictly moisturizing products in it, from the shampoo down to its stylers, I definitely would recommend trying out this line. It says it's for all textures, and products that's made for all textures, I sometimes question it because sometimes these types of products, it don't work for my thick type 4 hair, but I'll say this is definitely type 4 friendly. But let's get started with our wash day. Finally, we can get started with washing our hair. This process only took me about 30 minutes. I started off by using their moisturizing shampoo. I don't want to sound like I'm boosting this line up, but I absolutely love how the moisturizing conditioner felt on my scalp. Like, you guys, I can't really explain the feeling. Like, it just felt so gentle on my scalp. It literally cleaned up all of the buildup that I had. It lathers up very well, and it smells good as well. Then I went in with their conditioning mask. This is one of my favorites. Like, I'm gonna mention this later on in the video, but I used to work at Ulta Beauty, and I used to always purchase this conditioning mask because I always got it for a discount. But when I used to use this mask, I used to always love how it felt on my hair. It absorbs very well into my hair, and it's for all hair types as well. So I tend to recommend that you guys give this conditioning mask a try. Wash day is complete. This only took me about 20 minutes. I love this shampoo. It felt so gentle yet moisturizing. It sets up very well. I think you should give this a try. And then I also love their conditioning mask as well. I used to work out Ulta Beauty, and I used to always get this conditioner because I used to always get a discount. But now I don't really get this conditioning mask anymore because it's a bit pricey for me. So that's why I always just stick with my African pride. But when I was using this, I was loving this. And today it just reminded me of how my hair used to feel when I used to always use this. Now I'm about to go sit under the dryer and let this sit for about 20 minutes. Come back in the tub, rinse my hair out, and then the fun part is styling my hair. I don't know what style that I want to do. Wants to love you endlessly. Hello, just made it to my room. I'm going to keep saying this until I actually get another dryer, but my dryer is broke. Like, it keeps falling on my head, and it sometimes gets annoying because I'm not trying to hold up the dryer while I'm deep conditioning. Like, I just want to be on my phone. I don't want to hold up the dryer. Already 20 minutes has passed by, and let me show you guys my hair. This is how she looks. Very soft, very moisturized. That deep conditioning mask, it absorbed very well into my hair. I'm gonna rinse out my hair and then come back and style my hair. Alrighty, I'm fresh out the shower. An hour has passed by because I needed to take me a break because I've been up all day and I just needed to take me a break. But I had my hair sitting in this towel so it can just like dry for a little bit. For the most part, my hair is dry because my hair dries up really quickly. I wish that you guys can help me out right now. Like, I don't know what hairstyle I want to do. Like, I know that this isn't going to give me like a strong hold because it's a soft hold, and this gel is also made for all hair types. Like, this whole line is made for all hair types. And so far, like I said, I like the shampoo, I like the deep conditioner, and I also love the moisturizing conditioner. But I know for this gel, it's not gonna do much for me. And I don't know if I want to do like a braid style because I want it to look really cute. Like, I want the hairstyle to be really cute. So I don't know, but I know I'm going to go in with their leave-in conditioner. Let's get started with my hair. Oh my gosh, it feels like so soft. I wish that you guys could like truly feel my hair. I think I'm gonna just keep it simple and do a braid out. This video is actually due tomorrow, not the YouTube video but the short form. I'm just gonna do a braid out because you can listen Listen, you can never wait, let me get the mic. Get the mic. You can never go wrong with a braid out as a type 4 natural, especially if you have a lot of shrinkage. If your hair shrinks to your freaking eyebrow, a good braid out is going to always get you right. Like braid outs, it stretches your hair for one, and I always try to do my braid outs on damp to dry hair. I don't like when my hair is like fully soaking wet because I feel like I don't really get much stretch. So I always try to make sure like my hair is 70 to 80% dry before I start on my braids, just so I can get maximum stretch. That's just a tip if you guys, you know, if you guys suffer or not suffer. What am I saying? I don't know. Anyways, is the mic even on? Mic. Okay, sorry. Let's get started. I think I used this leave-in before. It was okay. I'd rather use their strengthening leave-in conditioner or their honey hydration over this conditioner, just because I feel like those two products, it really leaves my hair hydrated for a long period of time. The gel, it smells the best out of all of these products. It smells so good. It smells like candy. I don't know what type of candy, but it smells like a sour, not a sour candy, but it smells like a Jolly Rancher. I don't know if that makes sense. And I'm going to be using this much. I don't know if I want to do a twist out though now. This is how the curls are looking. Let me bring you guys closer. I think I want to do a twist out. I feel like that would be cute because I haven't done a twist out in a while. Like I've been doing braid outs, but my hair feels hydrated thus far. I don't know, y'all. I may do a twist out. Alrighty, this is how the twists are looking. I love this gel. I'm not sure if it will give me a strong hold. I have to see as the days go by. I'm only going to have my twist in overnight, and then I'm going to take it down tomorrow. And I'm also going to sit under the dryer just so it can dry much quicker. But let's continue on this process. Alrighty, my hair is all finished. I was going to do a cute braid style in the front, but it's going on 9 o'clock, and like I said, I've been up here this whole time. The sister is tired, so I'm just going to let this air dry for tonight, and then tomorrow I'm going to sit under my dryer so it can be fully dry. I'm going to come back to you guys tomorrow when my hair is fully dry. Hello, it is the next day. My hair is 90% dry, but now we're going to take these down. Alrighty, this is my hair. I'm going to sit under the dryer for like 15 more minutes because it's still a bit damp. I think it's going to turn out very cute. Got under the dryer for like 10 minutes, and I don't know, I'm having very high hopes for this twist out. To minimize frizz, I'll be going in with this oil and applying it all over my hands. This is also a scalp oil, so I'm going to be applying it onto my scalp. This is the twist out. I'm gonna do my edges. I love my natural hair so much. Like before I started wearing my half wigs, I always used to do my natural hair. Like I used to always rock either a braid out, twist out, bantu knot out, twade out, whatever. Like I used to always wear my hair out. So like just seeing my hair in this state, like it just brings me back to memories because I really love my natural hair so much. Like although sometimes on my channel I'll be promoting different wigs and stuff, I am always a huge advocate for natural hair because this is beauty. But yeah, I'm going to continue to pick my hair out. Alrighty, I like volume, so I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. I actually lie. I think I want to leave it alone and then just let it get bigger. I don't know. I like my definition, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. Y'all comment down below and let me know, do you like shrinkage or do you like big hair? This isn't a complete wash day if I don't show you guys my bathroom. Like, this is the realness of a natural. This is how her bathroom looks after she finished washing and styling her hair. Like, she got to be the one to clean it up, and that's gonna get done tomorrow because I spent hours on my hair. I'm not proud. I don't use that, by the way. I actually need to go throw that away. But this is my bathroom counter. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me. Thank you so much for tuning in on this wash day. This wash day meant so much to me. As I stated earlier, like, this is something that I've always wanted to do. So God definitely gets the glory. I really hope that this video encouraged you. Know that I love you, God loves you, and we're going to see you in our next video.